Hello students, coming to part 3 of this chapter. Okay, we will continue with the exercise. Now exercise 3C. Use the following expressions to make sentences of your own. Yes, now students, you haven't to take the sentences from the lesson. You have to make it of your own. Now I will give you all the sentences. Okay, please write it down. First one, make up one's mind. Now it's not necessary like you have to write one's mind. You can write yourself or himself, whatever. Now write the phrase, make up one's mind. I made up my mind to take part in the competition. I made up my mind to take part in the competition. Struck as odd. The second one, struck as odd. His behavior struck me as odd. Struck me as odd. His behavior struck me as odd. Knew no bonds. My happiness knew no bonds. When I got the first prize. My happiness knew no bounds when I got the first prize. Next one, flash across one's mind. Flash across one's mind. The incident at the party. The incident, INCIDENT, at the party flashed across my mind. Flashed across my mind later on. The incident at the party flashed across my mind later on. To surmise. I could not surmise the amount of joy I felt when I found my lost money. I could not surmise the amount of joy I felt when I found my lost money. Not to deter. Our failures should not deter us. Our failures should not deter us. Now activity 4 students, we will do it next time, and you have to do it in a compo book. Okay, if you all don't have a compo book, you all can make a partition in your notebook and write it. Okay, that we will do next time. Now going to the next part, see types of sentences. Study the following sentences. Set A, Revati was a student of music. The flowers were big and brightly colored indeed. They were requested to believe her. Now all the above statements are assertions and called assertive. They are assertions. Assertions means they are declaring something. Yes, and they are called declarative or assertive sentences. Now the second part, set B. Wasn't Revati a student of music? How can we doubt her? Do plants have ears? Now these are of course interrogative sentences. Yes, they are interrogative, they are asking a question. Please believe me, let us watch the fun, sit straight, excuse me. Now these types of sentences are either request, appeals, command or suggestion. So such type of sentences are called imperative sentences. So here we have learnt of three types of sentences. What are they? One is assertive or declarative sentences. Second, interrogative sentences which ask questions. And the third type are imperative. Imperative sentences mean order, request, command. Okay. Now, set D has the next type of sentences which are exclamatory. Now let us see like how big and bright the flowers were. What a surprise. What beautiful music that is. So these are exclamatory. So they come to four types: assertive or declarative, interrogative or you ask questions, imperative order, request, command, and the fourth type is exclamatory. Now here you have to state the types of sentences in the following sentences. How happily she played the violin. So students, that is exclamatory. They all bent towards her, assertive, or you call it declarative. Third one, don't play that quick tune. It is imperative. Imperative. She kept the knowledge a secret. So it is assertive or declarative, assertive. How can plants enjoy music? It is interrogative. How proudly did Revati carry home her prize? So it is exclamatory. What could have taken my plants? Actually, who could have taken my plants? So it is an interrogative sentence. The organizers were not convinced. It is assertive. Now, here, sixth one. Make the following negative using the negative words given. There were a few potted plants in the courtyard. Now here we are using opposites. There were not many potted plants in the courtyard. So the first answer is there were not many potted plants in the courtyard. Second one, they looked healthier than the other plants. They did not look as healthy as the other plants. They did not look as healthy as the other plants. Third one, she refused to share her secret. She would not share her secret. She would not share her secret. Next one, she went around asking everyone about her plans. She went around asking everyone about her plans. So she did not go far around asking about her plans. You can write it in two ways, either using did not. Yes, she went around asking no one about her plans. Now, seventh one. Make the following affirmative using the words given. There was no breeze. There was hardly any breeze. There was hardly any breeze. Their ridicule did not deter her. Their ridicule failed to deter her. Their ridicule failed to deter her. Her mother knew nothing about it. Her mother denied to know anything about it. Her mother denied to know anything about it. She did not give up. She refused to give up. Okay, students. So we will wind up with this and we will meet next time. Bye.